Let's have another game of sounds. I mean the vowel sounds. There are two types of vowel sounds. One is known as monophthong and the other is diphthong. These words have Greek origins. Monophthong means one vowel sound in a syllable of a word, whereas diphthong means there are two vowel sounds, one gliding onto the other in a single syllable of a word. Today, we have diphthongs to discuss. There are 8 types, 8 basic diphthongs. Let's try to understand them. Welcome back to Language Mantras. This is Basic English session number 58 and we are talking diphthongs. Diphthongs means two vowel sounds coming together in a single syllable of a word. It may be represented by a single vowel letter or two vowel letters. That does not matter. We are very much concerned about the sound, not letters. Okay, so these are the 8 basic diphthong sounds. Wow, 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 wow. This is the first in our chart. Just remember Shakti Kapoor, and he is famous for ow sound. And we have this sound here, ow, wow, wow, clown, owl, mouth, mouth, owl, clown, wow. And this sound is represented by this phonetic sound A and U together, A plus U, ow. Come to the second one, that is I. So in a word you will get this sound I, fight, right, kite, why, buy, why, kite, right, fight. I sound is there. A and E coming together in a single syllable of a word. Number 3, A, clay. Not just clay, not just play, but clay, play, make, great, wait, say. A sound and E sound coming together in a single syllable of a word. Come to the 4th category, air, not R, not AR, but air, as in pair, fair, there, mare. Try to do some drills, and once you do some drills, you will come to understand the basic pattern of these sounds. And I tell you one thing, I'm not an expert on phonetic sounds and I have never lived in an English language environment. So I am very much aware of the fact that I commit mistakes. You have to verify it. You have mobiles in your hand, just try to see the sound of these words and it will be clear to you. But in spite of that, I try to give you some idea of the diphthong sounds. Next one, come to ear, as in ear, dear, fear, cheer, spear. It is not like ear, not open R, but very closed R. Ear, dear, fear, cheer, spear, etc. and etc. Remember one thing, we have two vowels here, ear And we have two vowels here, dear. We have two vowels here, and all these words, these diphthong sounds are followed by R sound. Come to the next one, that is O. Slightly difficult sounds. O, that is flow. So, go, no, though, etc. Next one, oi. Oi, oi. You remember that sound? That is oi. Boy, toy, coin, employ, foil, oil, oi, 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 oi. And the last one is really very difficult. Your, cure, pure, furious, jury. These are the basic 8 diphthong sounds. I repeat, diphthongs are two vowel sounds coming together. One is gliding onto the other. And monophthong is a single basic vowel sound. When you pronounce monophthong, your organs producing sound do not change their positions. But when you pronounce a diphthong, you just try and you see yourself, your tongue, your lips will change their positions during the process of uttering the sound. These vowels are sometimes called gliding vowels, complex vowels, compound vowels, and moving vowels. So you have to make some drills and you will come to know the basic pattern involved in these diphthongs. And this will, of course, improve your utterance, improve your pronunciation. It will be good, then it will be better, and then finally it will be the best pronunciation you can do. So just have a little bit of patience, try to make some drills, and it will come easily. So thank you very much. Have a nice time. Once again, we are meeting with something like this next week.